you in the club? Hey guys, welcome back to DCTC. On today's episode, we are gonna have some fun with the Play-Doh cake and ice cream Confections playset. Look at this thing. It's so big. I can't wait to open it up and check it out. You guys, this is a lot of stuff. Look at this. Never seen anything like this in a Play-Doh playset before. So I'm going to have to grab the instructions so I can figure out what all of this is. We'll start by taking a look at the playset. It has a little stamping arm. This is how we're going to make the cakes, I think. And there's also a cupcake maker on the side here to line up the little arrows. I'll show you that in a little bit. Watch right here. There are also molds all around the base of the bottom of it, as well as on this white piece. This, so far, you guys, I have to say, this is very cool. There is also an extruder, 2 ice cream cones. There's a cake stand top and a base, and they come apart, and there are molds on the bottom of each of them. There's a rolling pin, 2 scoops, 4 cakes, a bunch of different utensils, 3 different cake cutters, 3 cake stampers, 2 cups, and 2 plates, 2 gift boxes, and there's the other one, 3 cards, and a bunch of different colors and kinds of Play-Doh. So you know it's a good playset when there's this much Play-Doh in it. Somebody is being nosy. It's Zumi. This Play-Doh looks like it has sprinkles in it, doesn't it? And let's take a look at this. This looks like confetti. Maybe this smells really good to her. Does it smell good, Zumi? Oh yeah, that actually kind of looks like chocolate chips. We have a purple one like that and a green one. Okay, Zumi, I need the table. What do you think, girl? Let's start with our cake mold. So we're going to take some Play-Doh and press it down in the center like this. And then we'll load some purple Play-Doh into the extruder. And place it around the rim. So some Play-Doh goes on the bottom and some goes on the top. Next, we load our pretend cake like so, and then turn this wheel until we line up the arrows. You see the arrows right here? Okay, here we go. Okay, and that sort of locks into place. We need to go one more time. Okay, now we're almost ready. I'm gonna press that on there. That's gonna make a little design. Ooh, see that? Oops. Can leave that off for now. Can you see that little, it's kind of like a waffle design. And now I'm going to turn this little dial until we go over to the candle station. So again, we're just gonna line up our arrows right there. And then I'm gonna press this, and I think little candles are gonna come up, little Play-Doh pretend candles. Okay, here we go. Ooh, those are tall. And here is our first cake. So now we can use the molds to make little decorations. It might be cute to put some red or orange Play-Doh on the ends of these, and they'll look like the candles are burning. That will look like the candles are burning. That'll be cute. And then let's do something on the side here too. Okay, looking pretty cute. Now we can do some of those molds. Ooh, that looks cool. Isn't that a neat looking star? I think it's supposed to be like a melted chocolate. I can't think of what they're called right now, but it's like a blob of melted chocolate. Okay, I think our first cake looks really cute. Now let's make another one. See how different this looks? So I don't know if those are gonna look like candles. It seems like it's gonna look like a flower. I guess we'll find out in just a minute. This is the piece that puts the texture on the top of the frosting. So this one's different. This is the one that we used first. See how it's kind of waffly? Oh no! Oh boy. I think I pressed that way too hard. Pulled it right off. Okay, well, now you know what not to do. Don't press it too hard. Now we're gonna go over, and this is the lever that you press that makes this kind of rise up. It says it's the candle station. Oh no, why isn't it working? What's going on? Oh, I don't have the little arrows lined up. Okay, there we go. Here's what we have so far. And this does kind of look like a flower on top. So I have one layer made already, and I'm gonna make one more and then we'll put this one here. So last time we used this cutter, so this time we'll use this one. I think we need some pink. This can be frosting. Does that look like 3 little blobs of frosting? I think so. There, that looks better. Now let's use some purple and we'll make some little molds to decorate our cake with. And then I think after this we'll do one more cake and then let's move on to ice cream treats. And we might have to do another video. This is a lot, so I can do a little bit of ice cream, and then if you guys want me to, I can do another video. Actually, let's do the star. I can do another video and make more little cakes or ice cream or both. Okay, let's pull our big fancy cake over here. Whoa! Let's see. Okay, so we'll put this here. We'll put the star here. And the flower here. And actually, we could put that. We could pick this up, then we'll have one more plate. We'll put this on the cake stand. There. That's lovely. Very colorful. Very colorful. These are the choices, and I was gonna do this one because I think the hearts will be cute, but this has so many different holes. I think curious about this, so we'll do this one. And let's also put pink in the extruder, and we'll have like a double pink cake. So this pattern is really different. I love it. I think this cake is going to be very cute. Oh, that looks so cool. I was careful not to press down too hard, and look at how neat that design is. I love it. All right, I'm gonna snap it back into place. Make our candles. This one is beautiful so far. I really love those colors together, so I think I am going to use some pink and yellow to make some decorations, and then we'll be done with this and we'll move on to ice cream, and there's a little cupcake maker too. Aren't these so pretty? They look just like frosting roses. Like on fancy cakes, have you ever seen those? Okay, let's decorate our fancy little cake with them. Okay, what do you guys think? That looks pretty, doesn't it? Do you like it, or do you think I should have added more? You can leave me a comment and tell me. You might think that I should have added more decorations, but I don't know, I like it this way. It's very different from this one. This one's crazy, and this one's kind of simple. This is the part that we were using to press the candles. So this is like the candle station, but it also works to make cupcakes. So the top is the frosting and the bottom is the cake, and we can also make some little candies using this. So let's give that a try. Well, that looks pretty cool. So this time I was trying to make like a candy. I want to take that apart and I want to press that in and see if we can get it a little smoother. We'll do one of these, and then next we'll do a cupcake. Oh no. Come out. Oh, I hope I don't mess it up. Oh, I did. That's terrible. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Okay, so I'm gonna have to cut the top off. Let's see, I need a knife. Okay, now we'll just smooth that out. Okay, so now we have one colorful little candy. Kind of like a Reese cup, except not chocolate and peanut butter. Okay, let's make a cupcake. So we'll take some brown Play-Doh and press that in the bottom. And then I'm going to take the Play-Doh that looks like it has the colorful sprinkles in it, and I'm going to press that in the top for our frosting. Then we'll press them together. And remove the excess, and it looks like we're gonna have a cute little cupcake. And I like it. It looks yummy to me. Okay, so this is kind of like the candy, and then this is the cupcake. So you can do two different things with that. Are you ready to make some ice cream now? I think we should move on to the ice cream. So now we can try the scooper. So let's use some brown. And white, and we'll do a little more brown, so it'll be like a chocolate and vanilla sundae. There we go. And we have a spoon right there. I just noticed on this end it's like a scoop. On this end, this also kind of looks like a Reese cup. So I think you can make candy on this end as well. let's see here. You sure can. So you can have little and big. This is like a parfait cup, so let's alternate. We'll do some mint chocolate chip. And let's see, how about some vanilla? Whoa, get back here. Ooh, maybe some, what could yellow be? It could be lemon. Ooh, that's colorful. And then a little more mint chocolate chip, or we could say it's lime. And a little more of the vanilla. And then, you know what we need? We need some whipped cream, some whipped topping. And let's put a little on our chocolate and vanilla sundae too. We'll put it right down here. We need a little more than that. That's hardly any. There. There, that looks better. Okay, those look pretty good. Now we can make our ice cream cones. So let's get a scoop of this. I thought this looked like it could be cookies and cream, or it could be, we could pretend it is vanilla. Whoa, get back here. Vanilla with chocolate chips. Okay. So we'll have 2 scoops. That looks delicious. Yummy pretend ice cream on a pretend cone. This scooper makes it look really real, doesn't it? Okay. Now, for this one, let's do something really silly. Let's do a bunch of different scoops. So let's start with the green. Press that on. And let's do purple. Oh, we can hardly see the green now. We'll have to do more green. Whoa, that's a lot. And what else? Do we have enough of our other colors? I've used a lot of Play-Doh. Could try some yellow. Let's see if we can get some purple. Okay, this is going to be a very tall ice cream cone. Whoa. Which one would you rather have? This one or this one? I would rather have this one. This is too big and too crazy for me. I want to show you a couple of things that come with the set that I didn't show you yet. So there is a cake server and 2 forks. And I wanted to show you this. On the other side of the knife, there is a little mold to make a candle. So I'll do another video and I'll make some cakes and I'll cut them and serve them with the little cake server. We'll save that for another video. And let's just take a quick look at this candle. Oh, cute! See the little texture on it? It's like it has little stripes. Actually looks a lot like a birthday candle. I also wanted to quickly show you one of the little gift boxes. So this is so cute. They come like this, and you just fold them and put them together. You could really give real gifts, or you could make some Play-Doh gifts and just do some pretending. Or you could really give some Play-Doh away to a friend or somebody in your family. So how cute! And then look at these little cards. Aren't these sweet? I really like this playset. Definitely lots to do. I'm already thinking of ideas for my next video. But until then, I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, you can let me know by leaving me a comment or clicking on the thumbs up button. I'd also love it if you left me a comment and told me what your favorite thing was from this video. I'm gonna guess that you guys are mostly gonna like that crazy cake. But I don't know, so let me know, okay? This is Amy Jo with DCTC. Thanks for watching!